Okay, we're going to be unboxing the Brother Wireless DS940DW wireless scanner. It's a mobile scanner. You can ask, why do you need a mobile scanner? It's mainly because my iPad Air is my primary computer device. And I get it up off the ground, which gets it 16 inches off the surface where I have it. It's totally portable. I can take it everywhere. That 16 inches is much higher than where a laptop screen is going to get you. I think long term, that's better for your back and neck. Also use the Magic Keyboard with the extended numbers. And then I use the Magic Mouse and the always useful pen. Okay, so that's pretty much the setup. And I know that Apple has a feature for scanning where you could take photos and use the scanning that way, but sometimes you'll have something that's curved, a piece of paper that's curved, and you could flatten it out as many ways as you want to flatten it out, but it's not giving you the same professional look. A lot of times, if it's a bank statement or something like that, you can get a PDF off of your bank's app, which works, so you don't need the scanner. But there are a lot of instances I've run into where I'm on the fly, on the go, and I need to scan a document. The old scanner I have can't work with the iPad. This one doesn't necessarily work with the iPad, but it does integrate into the Brother app. And I like the Brother app a lot, so it allows me to use it as a scanner, and we'll go through that. So let's go through the unboxing. You know, it tells you all the information on the front and back. And I bought this at Best Buy. Two reasons I went through Best Buy. Mainly the warranty. Is Best Buy, I paid like $40, I think, extra, or it's a little over 40, and I get 4 years of coverage where it's basically no questions asked. If any problems with the device, I just take it in and they give me my money back or give me another one. So I've used it in the past over years. It really works, and I think it makes a lot of sense. It makes sense for me. Let's see what we have here. It's easy ID scanning, scan speeds. That didn't matter to me. Color display. The ease of the setup, ease of use, simplicity of use is what really mattered to me. I looked at a lot of reviews, and people really like it. Wireless networking to the PC. Scan a file image. If you're doing this OCR email or embedded, has a microchip also. Let's see, and you can move it around. The mobility of it really mattered to me and made a big difference. So let's get it open. This is, I think, if you're going to use a USB and hook it up somehow with that. I am not. These are the instructions, okay, for the setup. Let's see what else we have here. This is the quick setup guide. We'll go through that in a couple minutes and read every part of this. You can also scan cards, but I'm not really going to use it for that. I don't know exactly what it is. Calibration sheet. So it does come with a calibration sheet. Some people have mentioned this as useful to them. I don't even know what it is, to be honest with you. So, but let me know if you do know. That'd be helpful. Hint, hint, that's a way to get you to leave a comment. They say that helps, but it's just, purpose of this is just to give you the unboxing. Okay, this tells you what it supports, if that makes a difference to anybody. Nothing really on the sides, but the barcodes. Oops, sorry about that. Still use my phone to do everything. And then it tells you it's a wireless scanner. Oh, made in China. Thanks. Okay. So here we have the device. It's sealed up pretty well. I think I'm going to have to go through charging it. But okay, should have brought my handy dandy scissors knife. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, start, stop. PDF, SD drive, microchip. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got all this stuff. And also, brothers, this is the USB port. I think that's to switch it, whether it's wireless, SD chip. And it also has this WPS, I forget what that's an acronym for. But if you don't have the password to enter the internet, you can just press that and get access to the internet, whichever wireless network you want to get access to. And the simplicity of it, that's one of the big things that made a difference. These rubber things help to keep it in place, which is pretty nice, especially for mobility. Oh, one other thing I should show you. I did pick up one of these things off of Amazon, not necessarily doing a review, but it basically does, I think, what it's supposed to do. For mobility, I just wanted something to carry it in, and so it wouldn't get beat up, so I take advantage of that warranty every day. Oh, good deal. It's a nice fit. It's a nice fit. It's not bouncing around. I could throw that in the bag and feel comfortable. It's hard shells on the side. So if you're going to be moving it around, I definitely recommend that instead of rigging something for yourself. And if you want to know, this LTGM, it just does what the label says. Okay. I purchased the scanner and made this video about 3 years ago. I just never got around to posting it. That said, this is what I consider a great purchase. I consistently and regularly use it to scan single, multiple pages through the Brother app, which I have downloaded on my iPad. It has and continues to pay for itself due to the savings in not having to pay FedEx, UPS, or some other office store for scanning services, and the priceless savings in convenience. Would I buy it again after having had the device for a couple of years? 100% yes. I can't recommend it enough. It's worked out really well for me, and I'm super happy to have it.